Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I made this video already and then I had to go and re-record it because I didn't like the lighting. So yeah, I'm gonna put some footage in from the lake that we were at when I made the original video, and yeah, that's what I'll just put in as fillers, honestly, because we had a nice little picnic and I wanted to talk a bit about, and I have my phone here just to read my notes, but I wanted to talk about the 5 homeschooling mistakes that we made. To recap, it was introducing them to electronics too early. We all know electronics can be a pacifier, but we can mold our children's minds while they are still young to become readers, researchers. We can mold them to be intellectual beings, you know. And then number 2 was trying to unschool them. Such a waste of time when my school offers, or I should say it was a waste of money when my state offers free schooling at home. Number 3 was I got caught up helping others before helping my own situation. Whatever I was going through, I put it on the back burner to try to help others, and that kind of it worked against me. Number 4 was stressing out about whether or not my kids were getting enough crammed into their core curriculum and into socializing. And number 5 was I was tired out by trying to overwork myself. I would overwork myself. I was tired out by trying to make sure that they got everything that they needed. Allah. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to make a second video if time permits, setting right here, so you may see 2 videos in a row. Hey, but I did want to answer another viewer's question in my second video. So thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video, inshallah. Tabarak wa ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.